Our ulam today, our vegetable is moringa and saluyot with mangoes, with taran seafood. Itong dalawang alimasag, imagine mo you live only once. So, in 1 year, sa looban ng isang taon ito kakain kami ng seafood. Ito, yung alimasag. Sabi nga ng friend ko you live only once. So, once a year, kakain kami nito. O, diba? Okay. So, mangoes, your favorite, sir? Favorite niya munggo. Imagine mo yon, kahit mag-araw-araw, hindi siya nagsasawa sa munggo. But you have tried this, This is a new menu. This is a new recipe. Native na gulay. Okay? So, let's start moving. Ito ay ating pilian o himay-himayin, and then magiging masarap. So hindi po totoo yan na ang 25 pesos ay kakainin mo 3 times a day. Hindi po pwede yun. Ito po ay 10 pesos, ito ay 10 pesos, and the crab is 79 pesos. So, let's start. Ayan, marunong naman mag-prepare yung aking partner. So, pilihan natin ang moringa and the saluyot. Ayan, next to moringa is the saluyot. So, this is my partner trying to prepare to cook our vegetables with crab. Tingnan mo yan tinatanggalan ng kanyang mga kamoy. Ito. So later it will be so clean. Kasi hindi naman makakain yan, so only the flesh inside. Busy. Say hi!
Hello.
Hi, hello. Masarap ito na ulam Pero once lang kami magluluto nito. Kasi maliban sa ito ay siyempre, kahit papano may kunting cholesterol. Pero kunti lang, 2 piraso. 1 for each. So, once in a while lang ito. Once a year. So, na-prepare na ng aking partner. Ito yung aming ulam ngayon. This is the moringa. And this is the saluyot. Good for our health. And this is the sahog. Yung dalawang crab, tagi-isa kami. And the pre-cooked mangoes. And the last, para maging masarap, ay itong fresh gata. Yan, malinamnam yan. Later you will see. Ayan, ang sipag talaga, tingnan mo. Nagwawalis. Simple lang po, ilagay ko na yung aking pre-cooked mangoes. Maglagay ako ng konting sabaw. At ito'y aking pakuluan ulit. Takpan. Ayan, since kumukulo na, ilagay natin yung ating crab. At i-boil natin ito ng maluto ang laman. Cover again. Sizzling, boiling. So it's time to put our vegetables. our saluyot.
Mula 2011. Noon kung July 2018,
Cover again.
reported in the media that there was a raid on Taiwan General Enterprises Corporation. Na may
Sizzling, let's put our moringa.
at sa Cambodia, itong si Mr. Shen. Naging 5 na po ang kanyang pangalan.
My partner is listening, is watching TV.
Tang Langkay
And cover again.
Cesar.
Ayan, maglagay ako ng konting salt. Tikman natin dito sa ating kutsara. Sarap. Cover a little. And the last, naglagay tayo ng ating coconut milk. Wow! Delicious. This is done. Finish our menu today. Cover and put up our stove. Taran! At ito na po yung ating finished product. Ito ang ating masarap na ulam na ginataang crab with moringa. You see this? Ang taba ng ating crab. Wow! Exciting! Ito, nakikita yung kanyang taba. See? Wow! Ito ang masarap na menu today. Ginataan mongoose with moringa and crab. Let's eat, everyone! Tikman ko lang, pero masarap. Magana mamaya sa pagkain ito with rice or brown rice. Thanks for watching my vlog today or my new menu. No? Ang ginawa namin ang aking partner. So, good for 2 menu today. Vegetables with crab. Taba, sweetheart, oh. Grabe, oh. Yes. Wow, malinamnam. Kasi may gata. Let's eat, everyone. Bye-bye. God bless us all. See you in my next video. Bye.